How to delete trip history on Uber, or how to delete Uber trip history. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete the Uber trip history. Now, the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can simply open up your Uber application. Make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. If you open up Uber here, and if you head into the app here first, let me open it up. Now at the bottom you'll be able to see four different options, that is services, home, activity and account. If you simply tap on the activity tab, you'll be able to see all your past history, your trip history here. Or if you head into account, you'll be able to see the activity option here as well. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see the trip history here. Now in order to delete it, what you'll have to know is there is no any option on Uber to delete the trip history. What you can do is you can simply go ahead and delete your account itself, and then go ahead and create the other account where your trip history will be gone and you'll not have any history, right? But there is no any option to delete the trip history on Uber, unfortunately. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.